Hey guys, my name's Val. Um, so three assets that I bring to social work. Let's see. So I think that the first asset I would identify is my work experience. I think I have different experience than other people in the classes based on previous classes I've had. Right now I work in adoption and I've also worked in behavioral health. So with those experiences, I think it helps me approach situations differently, just being able to look at the whole picture, um, and from different perspectives. Um, just understanding where other people are coming from, I guess, which kind of brings me to my next point, which I feel like I have empathy and I kind of try to understand where other people are coming from and really feel, how they're feeling, which is kind of why I'm in this field in the first place. And the last asset I think I bring is that I'm supportive. I like to help people get to where they want to be and, help them uh, kind of, do what feels good for them and be a good support system for them, be a good resource, I think is the word I'm looking for. So that's it. I think those are some assets I bring to the class. So I'm really looking forward to getting started with this class and preparing for our field work coming up. Thanks. Take care.